Hello class 10. In the last class, we have discussed about the acids. Today, we will discuss the next type of compound that are bases. We will discuss what are called bases, what are their properties. So let's start. What are bases? Those chemical substances which have bitter taste and soapy touch means slippery. They are called base. We can define the base as also bases are those substances which neutralizes the acid. It means when bases react with acid to cancel the effect of acids that are called bases. For example, sodium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, sodium oxide, potassium oxide, they are the examples of bases. We can say that metal oxide and metal hydroxide, they all are bases. Hence, it is written here, those chemical substances which have bitter taste and soapy touch, they are called base. And metal oxide like sodium oxide, potassium oxide and metal hydroxide like sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, calcium hydroxide and sodium oxide. It means metal oxide, metal hydroxide, they all are bases. Metal carbonate and metal hydrogen carbonate, also called metal bicarbonate, they all are also bases because they neutralize the acids. It means metal carbonate, metal hydrogen carbonate, they are also called metal bicarbonates. They are also category of bases because when these metal carbonates, metal hydrogen carbonates react with acid to form salt and water. Like see the example. So metal carbonate, their example is Na2CO3, that is the sodium carbonate. NaHCO3, sodium hydrogen carbonate, or we can say that sodium bicarbonate. Similarly, potassium carbonate and magnesium carbonate. Now, see the reaction when sodium carbonate, Na2CO3, this is metal carbonate, when it react with dilute HCl to form NaCl, water and evolve carbon dioxide gas. In this reaction, students, this is the metal carbonate when it react with acid to form salt. This is a salt and form water. This we know that salt and water formed in a neutralization reaction. It means this act as a base. Hence, we can conclude metal carbonate and bicarbonates are also bases. Students, according to Arrhenius, bases are those substances which when dissolved in water to release one or more hydroxide ion. Sodium hydroxide which when dissolved in water to give sodium ion and hydroxide ion. Potassium hydroxide when dissolved in water give the potassium ion and hydroxide ion. Hydroxide, OH minus ion is called hydroxide ion. It means those chemical substances which give the OH minus ion, one or more OH minus ion in aqueous solution means in water, that are called bases. Like acids, as you know that acids show their acidic character in the aqueous solution. Similarly, bases are also show their basic character always in the water. In absence of water, base does not release OH minus ion and hence it does not show their basic character in the absence of water. Bases release OH minus ion, hence it also conduct electricity like acids. Some bases dissolve in water while some are not. Those bases which dissolve in water, they are called alkalis. It means all the bases are not alkali, but all the alkalis are bases because all the alkalis they are water soluble base, so they are in the category of base, while all the bases are not capable to dissolve in water. For example, sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, magnesium hydroxide, ammonium hydroxide, they are water soluble base. So they are called alkalis. Students, as I told you, bases when dissolved in water gives OH minus ion, that is called hydroxide ion. For example, we have seen potassium hydroxide also in water release hydroxide ion. It means all the bases contains hydroxide ion and this hydroxide ion is common in all the bases. Now we will discuss the types of bases. Bases are of two types, strong base and weak base. As we have discussed that base when dissolved in water, they ionized and release OH minus ion. Some bases are completely ionized and release a large amount of hydroxide ion. These are called strong bases. It means those bases which completely ionized and to release a large amount of OH minus ion, they are called strong base. And weak base, which are partially dissociate in water and to release lesser amount of OH minus ion, they are called weak base. Example of strong bases are sodium hydroxide, potassium hydroxide, they are strong bases. Example of weak bases are NH4OH, ammonium hydroxide, CuOH whole 2, copper hydroxide, MgOH whole 2, magnesium hydroxide. They all are weak bases because they are partially ionized and release a lesser number of OH minus ion. These are the two types of bases.